Welcome back to We Dared Chemistry. In Lecture 3, we're exploring the revolutionary contributions of J.J. Thomson, an English physicist who lived from 1856 to 1940. Thomson is renowned for his groundbreaking work on the nature of electrons and for proposing the Plum Pudding Model in the late 19th century. Thomson's discovery of electrons as distinct particles marked a significant shift in our understanding of the atom, moving from the idea of an indivisible atom to one composed of subatomic particles. His work laid the foundation for further exploration of atomic structure. In 1897, Thomson introduced the Plum Pudding Model. According to this theory, an atom resembles a plum pudding, where tiny negative electrons are scattered throughout a cloud of positive charge. This model helped explain why atoms have a neutral charge overall, and why they emit light when they collide with each other. However, the Plum Pudding Model had its limitations. It couldn't explain why electrons didn't collapse into the positive sphere. It failed to predict the distribution and arrangement of electrons. It lacked an explanation for the nucleus and its positive charge. That's all for today. In our next lecture, we'll delve into Ernest Rutherford's atomic theory. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel, like the video, and share it with your friends. Keep studying with We Dared Chemistry.